Today is January 19th, 2018, and today's refinishing project is located in El Cerrito, California. And let's take a look what we're doing today. Okay, so we have this cast iron bathtub and the brown type of tile trim around the bathtub. We're going to be refinishing both of them. Then come over here, we have a shower stall unit. A 3x3 tile shower stall, and we're going to be refinish this as well. Let's take a look. It's pretty dirty and the grout is in pretty bad condition, so we're going to be fully cleaning it, repair the grout areas and any cracked tile, and prime and refinish. There we go. So this is the project for today. Definitely a full day. And we'll go ahead and follow up once it's complete. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here's a finish up video of that shower and bathtub. So let's take a look. Now the shower. All right, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you could reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.